What's going on? No Monday morning would be complete without a dead battery. Let's check this out. So we take our meter here and we can test the voltage drop between the corrosion. We have 2.5 volts, so more than likely that's why the car doesn't start. So we got an old toothbrush. We're just gonna wet it and stick it in some baking powder, baking soda. We were out of baking soda, so baking powder works just as good. See, it's foaming up, neutralizing all that acid right there. Perfect old toothbrush here. Give it a little rinse. It doesn't look pretty, but I think it'll get me back to the shop where I can change it out. This is looking promising. Fixed at home with no tools. Thanks for watching.